Alright, so I was just streaming and it shut down. So not sure what happened. But here's attempt number 2. Maybe I just didn't have a good signal or connection before. My mic's not working. What the hell? Hello?
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 Okay.
Okay. I don't know what's going on with my OBS Studio, but I was just streaming and then it got cut off. So I guess I'm gonna start over. Welcome to my stream. We're developing a game right now called Aeroboticar Uprising. It's about this guy right here. This is the main character. It says error, YouTube is not receiving enough video to maintain smooth streaming. As such, viewers will experience buffering. Hello? Not receiving enough video. Maybe I need to change my settings. I'm having trouble with my stream right now. Output. I don't know what that means. YouTube is not receiving enough. Let me see if the stream's working on my phone. Hello? Yeah, it works. So I don't know why there's an error here. If I disconnect again, I'm probably not gonna start streaming again. Cause I don't know what's going on with my brain today. I can't even talk. All right, there you go. Excellent conditions. Perfect. So yeah, right now we're just doing the voiceover for the game. This is the main character. I created it in engineering school, so as you can see back behind me, that red thing right there, that's the Aeroboticar, so it's fully manufacturable. I 3D printed it. You can make it in real life if you had a big enough 3D printer, a metal 3D printer. You can print it piece by piece and assemble it and then fly it. So, you know, I always wanted to be a video game developer. That was kind of when I got out of high school. I was like, what's the purpose of life? What do I want to do? And my conclusion was that I wanted to be a video game developer. And at that point, I developed the game that I'm in right now, which is the game of... What the hell is going on with my internet right now, bro? Anyways, just my life philosophies. Anyways, I wanted to do the... What is happening with my stream, bro? Yeah, there is buffering. I'm not sure what's happening. I'm sorry guys. If you're experiencing buffering, I'm not sure what I have to do. It just says error, YouTube is not receiving enough video to maintain smooth streaming. So how do I fix that? Let me ask Gemini. New chat. I'm getting an error on my stream YouTube that says on OBS YouTube is not receiving enough video to maintain smooth streaming. This stream sucks, man, because I don't know what's going on with my setup. Oh, I forgot to mention in the stream, I lost all of my computer data. My computer got corrupted, and I had to reinstall Windows, and in the process, I had to lose everything that was on my computer. All the programs that I had installed, all the files, all the screenshots, all the pictures, all the videos that I've taken over the years. So here we go. That's a very common frustrating error. It almost means your internet's upload speed is not stable enough to send the video quality you set. Lower your video bitrate. Lower this number, for example, try 5,000. If it's at 5,000, try 3,500. Settings, stream, output. Let's try this. Let's try 8,000. Run an internet speed test. If your speed is 10 Mbps, a safe bit rate. 70% of, okay, so speed test. A lot of people are probably using, because I have Verizon 5G, is like the wireless one, because it's the cheapest one. I used to have Xfinity. This is your download speed? Jesus Christ. Excuse my language. That's atrocious. Upload speed is... Please hit at least 1, man. Thank you. Yeah, I felt bad because my parents were paying like $300 a month for internet, so I was like, let's just, this one's like 50 or 60 bucks. 1.4 Mbps. 1.4 Mbps. A safe bit rate is 6,000. Oh, okay. 6,000 to 7 kbps. That's if you're at 10. I'm at 1. I need to lower that to like 3,500. Don't tell me the don't tell me the stream stopped. Select stream, this guy. I'm just trying to figure out my stream. I know you guys can't see what I'm doing because I hit OBS. But stream seems to be okay now. Use a wired Ethernet, enable dynamic bitrate in OBS, settings advanced. Check the box that says dynamically change bitrate to manage congestion. I think lowering the kbps helped. The bitrate. Chat, if you want to say anything, let me know. I lowered the bitrate. That seemed to help. Anyways, I don't know what's going on with my brain today. I feel like we are not on the same page at all. I was in the groove of things before, but yeah, Aeroboticar Uprising. This is a video game about a U.S. Navy SEAL named Solon Vale, and his mission is to defeat Dr. Thorne. It's like an evil businessman whose goal is to take control over society with his ominous AI, artificial intelligence systems. So, Solon builds an Aeroboticar to help him fight Dr. Thorne's army. So, this is what we have so far. Here's the 800 lines of code, 828 lines of code for just one script, first-person movement. Controls the player. The player has a camera, entity, gun model on it, which I don't know how I feel about the pink gun. I think I might have to change that. Enemy blasters, gun blasters. Maybe yellow. Yellow gun for now. Ground entity was giving me trouble with jumping only on the right side of the road, so we fixed that. We made it smaller. Shout out to the PlayCanvas moderator for helping me fix that. I'm having trouble with my stream. Not sure what's going on. But trying to catch you guys up. I'm like in the zone of trying to explain the story as well as trying to do technical stuff to make sure you guys can even see me and my stream's working. But yeah, the story's developing for the kind of overarching feel of the game. This is the demo, so this isn't the full game. This is just kind of a sample of what the full game is gonna be. I only have 10 gigabytes. This is already half a gigabyte. So I could probably do like a pretty decent demo if this is half a gig. And I got 10 gigabytes of space. I could probably do a pretty decent sized game or demo with that. And it's just like tweaking the details. So for example, if you launch the game, this is sort of the. It starts like this. Your pointer's not locked, so when you press, when you click with your mouse, it locks in and starts the game.
Where's my rifle?
As you can tell, there's a voiceover so far.
Right? Fragments. Just keep moving down the road.
So it tells you hints like WASD to move.
Standard Thorn Industry models. I'm still at war.
These guys can kill you. And you can die.
Drones are here. This whole city is lost. We need to find Lorenz.
And just so you guys know, if you shoot all the way down to 0, for example, it gives you a hint, press R to reload, and it doesn't go away until you press R. So I thought that was pretty cool. And I'm wondering if it shows up twice, or if it just shows up once. Nope, it only shows up once. That's good. So you get to the collision, the marsh lethal, but there it is, the Aeroboticar. That's see, the voiceover stops right there. The voiceover stops right there, and I have to get the text to speech. So my baby built her piece by piece on deployment, only way across. So now, I don't know if you guys can see this screen. You can. There's a text to speech feature on CapCut where if it loads, which it should, there's a bunch of voices that you can choose from. I've been using Mentor, which I'll show you. It should be in my favorites. Huh. I saved it to my favorites, but I guess it didn't save in my account. Maybe I'm not logged in. Am I logged in? Let me reopen CapCut. Or we can just look for it. So here's all the, oh, I found it. Yep. Mentor. Generate speech. Not sure what's going on with my internet today. But like I said, I don't know if I got hacked or if I just I don't know. I was messing around with like Razor's background images, like desktop background images, and I downloaded a few, and I think maybe messing with that did something to my like loading Windows, because it just wasn't. It just wouldn't go past like the loading screen when you boot up. It wouldn't post to the Windows 11. So I tried a few times. I did a few things that Gemini told me to do. It wasn't working, so I had no choice but to reset my computer and reinstall Windows. So yeah, I don't know. My internet, it could be better. It could definitely be better. Streaming on like, yeah, see, network error. What is happening? Oh, there it is. Let's hear it.
Lethal. But there it is. The Aeroboticar, my baby. Built her piece by piece. It's on deployment. Only way across.
Perfect. Let's add this guy to my favorites. See, he was added to my favorites. He just wasn't showing up. That's so weird. Export audio. Where was I putting it? I think I was just putting it in users and videos. Okay. The Aeroboticar. Marsh Lethal. Let's just do Marsh Lethal Aeroboticar. And now we have to go into Vegas and create a do that because can't talk today. Marsh Lethal Aeroboticar. And now I think I go to player or level 1 manager, or I think it might be UI manager. And you see this is all the text. This is all the voiceovers. So we just created Marsh Lethal Aeroboticar. We put it in here. We put it into this folder. Marsh Lethal Aeroboticar. Turn off preload.
The Marsh Lethal. But there it is. The Aeroboticar.
Now I have to find. I believe it's dialogue system. And when it says, or no, not dialogue system. Level 1 manager. Yes. So see here how it says Solon 404 find Lorenz. I have to make sure that I copy and paste this exactly into the dialogue system. Add slot. Rename the slot to what I just copied. Marsh Lethal. And I also have to make sure that it gives it enough time so now when I play the game, there wasn't a time function. So now when I play the game through, it should like the voiceover for that part should pop up. Let's see.
Fragments. Just keep moving down the road. Drones, standard going industry models. Thorn's drones are here. This whole city is lost. Need to find Lorenz. The Marsh Lethal. But there it is. The Aeroboticar, my baby. Built her piece by piece on deployment, only way across.
Alright. So now we get in. System boot, Solon, you look like hell. Thorn's forces are everywhere. So now we have to find a voice for the Aeroboticar, for Lorenz, because the Aeroboticar's AI is Lorenz. So this is what it says, system boot. This is what Lorenz says. Copy. Paste it into here. And now we need to find a like an AI sounding sort of voice for Lorenz.
System boot, Solon, you look like hell. Thorn's forces are everywhere.
Probably not that guy.
System boot ... Solon. You look like hell.
That's like the TikTok voice.
System boot ...
System
No.
boot ... Solon.
Let's see, it says dot 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 instead of just pausing. It like says dot dot dot.
System boot Solon, you look like System boot Solon, you look like hell.
System boot Solon, you look like hell. Thorn's forces are everywhere.
System boot Solon, you look like hell. Thorn's forces are everywhere. System boot Solon, you look like
System boot Solon, you look.
System boot. Solon, you look like hell.
System boot Solon, you look like hell. Thorn's forces are everywhere.
What? Let's filter. Let's filter it to be male or female. I guess it's male. Age, middle-aged. Style, commanding. Language, English. Police officer? Let's see if police officer makes sense.
System boot. Solon, you look like hell. Thorn's forces are everywhere.
I don't know if I want it to have a British accent.
System boot. Solon, you look like hell. Thorn's forces are everywhere.
I'm hoping to do like an AI voice.
System boot
You know?
Solon, you look like hell.
No.
Solon, you look like hell. Thorn's forces are everywhere.
System boot Solon, you look like hell. Thorn's forces are everywhere.
Maybe Brian?
System boot Solon,
Aiden?
System boot Solon, you look like
Leo?
Solon, you look like hell. Thorn's forces are everywhere.
System boot Solon, you look like hell. Thorn's forces are everywhere.
Maybe sexy? Let's try sexy. What does sexy sound like?
System boot. Solon, you look like hell. Thorn's forces are everywhere.
No.
Boot Solon, you look like hell. Thorn's forces are everywhere.
System boot. Solon, you look like hell. Thorn's forces are everywhere.
I guess we could do that one. I don't want to, maybe like a sexy one. Lorenz is a sexy guy. Generate speech. And
System boot. Solon, you look like hell. Thorn's forces are everywhere.
alright, that's fine. That's fine. We just have to remember who that was because it didn't save. What's his name? Academic Male. I saved it to my favorites. It's right there. I gotta remind myself that it's academic male. Sexy academic male. Maybe I can put that in my notes. Because I'm definitely gonna forget. Sexy academic male and mentor voice. Lorenz is the first one and Solon is the next one. Okay. So generated export. Let's do that. Export. Open folder. Take that guy and plug it in here. Render as system boot. Render, open folder. And this is kind of just like doing the voiceover, that's kind of the whole thing. And now we need to add a slot. Go back to here. Lorenz booting 01. So this guy goes here. Paste. Downloads. System boot goes into voiceover. Empty slot. System boot. And then preload is off. Well, that didn't work. I can tell. This happened to me before where it would just not load. So I think I have to try that again. I might have to refresh PlayCanvas as a matter of fact, because I've run into that problem before. So sounds, voiceover, it's not there anymore. Add, upload, downloads, system boot. There you go. I think it was UI Manager, system boot. And now if you run the game back, it will run like this.
Solon, you look like hell. Thorn's forces are everywhere.
So system boot. That doesn't have a time limit, I don't believe. But then the next one is Lorenz, you're alive. So let's get the voice for that. This guy, text, paste. So Lorenz, you're alive. Get rid of this guy. Lorenz, you're alive. Text to speech, mentor.
You're alive. You're alive.
Generate speech. Export. Audio, export, open folder, put it into Vegas. And the reason why I can't go directly from CapCut to Vegas is because CapCut doesn't integrate with Lorenz alive. I guess it doesn't use the right encoder. But now we go to UI Manager, add a component, add a slot. This is called Solon Lorenz alive, so we have to make sure that it's exactly the same. Upload Lorenz alive MP3 into the sound voiceovers. Asset empty slot assigned to Lorenz alive. Make sure that this doesn't preload, because that will take forever to load the game. And actually, let's, instead of doing it like that, let's just do an assembly line where we add a slot. The next one is Lorenz 02 lift tutorial. Paste. And then the next slot is Lorenz 03 move tutorial. And then Lorenz 04 barrier down, which we have to create a rigid body for that part so that the player can't go through. Barrier down, and then shoot tutorial. Into slot 11. Lorenzo 6 get core. Slot 12. And then we're almost done. Lorenzo 7. Meet you. Add slot. Yeah, there's only Lorenzo 7 exit. I think we did meet you, so now there's only 2 or 3 more. Lorenzo. Oh, there's 3 more. This paste, and then Solon says something. Got the core. Did you miss me? Type shit. Copy. Paste. And these are all the voiceovers we have to do. That I have to do. I mean, you can just watch. You don't have to do anything. But fun begins. Cute, hang on. This is where the fun begins. Okay. Good. Land here and press X to exit. And I believe that's the last one. So 17 voiceovers in total. Right now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so we need 10 more. So let's start from the top. Lorenz lift tutorial, which is Lorenz lift tutorial. This guy. So now we just copy, go into CapCut, replace this text with this. Scale this down so that you can see it actually. Generate text to speech, which is this guy, academic.
Did you forget how to
Mail.
Let's start with the basics. Spam I, J, K, and L to feel out the vertical thrusters.
Let's do that. Export. This shouldn't take too long. Now that I'm in the groove of things. Export. Open folder. Vegas. Close. Delete this. I believe it's this one.
Did you forget how to fly?
Yep. Render. Flight lift tutorial. Render. Open folder. I have a lot of folders open, so I'm just going to delete X out of all of these. And then I'm going to upload into sounds. Lift tutorial. This guy. And this guy gets assigned to here. Gotta turn off preload so it doesn't ruin my loading time. And then we move on to the next one.
Good.
Now try WASD for directional thrust. That's next. Okay. Delete this. Text. Text to speech. Academic male
Good.
sexy.
Now try WASD for directional thrust.
Generate speech. Export. Export. Open folder. Close Vegas. Import this guy here. Render as what is this? Directional. What do you say? Directional thrust. Directional thrust, I guess. Directional thrust. Render. Go back into PlayCanvas. Go to sound voiceover. Upload asset. Directional thrust. I'm going to go in here, turn off preload, go back into UI Manager, find directional thrust, move tutorial. Okay. Next is barrier down. You got it. I've disabled the barrier. Let's fly. Copy. CapCut. Delete this. Replace this text. Generate text to speech with academic male sexy. Listen to it to make sure it's okay.
I've disabled the barrier. Let's fly.
Export. Export. Open folder. Open Vegas. Close this. Delete this. Go in here. Drag this into here. Render as. Disable barrier. Render. Open folder. Go into PlayCanvas. Upload. Disable barrier sound. Turn off preload. Go to UI Manager. Disable barrier, which is this guy. Disable barrier. Parse. We're almost done. I think we need like 7 or 8 more. Shoot tutorial. More drones. Did you forget how to shoot? Press space to fire. CapCut. Okay. Delete this sound. Text. Copy paste. Text to speech. Generate speech. See how it sounds.
More drones. Did you forget how to shoot? Press space to fire.
Export. Export. Open folder. Close this. Delete this. Drag this into here. Render as. Shoot tutorial. Render. Go back into PlayCanvas. Upload the voiceover. Shoot tutorial. Preload is off. UI Manager. Find shoot tutorial. Shoot tutorial. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more to go. So that means we did 4 so far. Get core is next. So get core, this guy. Copy, CapCut. Okay. Delete. Text. generate text-to-speech with this guy. Generate. That's a lot of them. See that building? The old comms array.
That's the last of them. See that building? The old comms array. You need to get inside and retrieve the data core. Land in the marked zone.
Okay, export. Export. Open folder. Close this. Delete this. Drag this in here. Render as. Landing zone. Render. Close out some folders because I opened a lot. Go into PlayCanvas. Upload voiceover. Landing zone. Assign to UI manager. Turn off preload. Next is got it. This area is too hot to stay parked. I'll circle around and meet you at the extraction point on the other side. Be careful, Solon. Oh god, I can't. Let's just copy the whole thing. Okay. Text. Generate text-to-speech. Text-to-speech. This guy. Generate. See what it sounds like.
Got it. This area is too hot to stay parked. I'll circle around.
Oops.
This area is too hot to stay parked. I'll circle around.
Oh, I deleted it.
I'll
That's why.
circle around and meet you at the extraction point on the other side. Be careful, Solon.
Okay. Export. Open folder. Vegas. Close. Delete this. Drag this in here. Render as. Browse. What is that called? Meet you. Meet you. Render. Open PlayCanvas. Upload into voiceover. Meet you. Go into UI manager. Find the slot for meet you. Assign it to that MP3 file. Turn preload off. Now we are at the next one. There you are. Took you long enough. Get in. Let's go. Okay. CapCut. Okay. Delete this text. There you are. Took you long enough, and that is being said by Lorenz. So this guy, generate speech. Sound.
There you are. Took you long enough. Get in. Let's go.
Okay. Export. Open folder. Open Vegas. Close. Delete. This. Drag here. Delete all that. Render as. What is that called? Get in. Get in. Render. Open folder. PlayCanvas. Upload. Get in. Turn off preload. Go to UI manager. Get in. Assign to this guy. 1, 2, 3 left to go. Which means we did 7 so far. Got the core. Did you miss me? Is next. Go to CapCut. Close this. Go to text. delete that, copy this, paste that, delete that, generate speech. That's
Got the core. Did you miss me?
that's that guy. Go like that. Export. Open folder. Vegas. Close this. Delete that. Drag that in. Render as. Got core. Render. Open PlayCanvas. Upload. Got core. Sound into PlayCanvas. Disable preload. UI manager. Assign got core. This guy. Okay, and now we are at Fun Begins. Copy, paste into CapCut. Okay, text to speech. Delete this.
Cute. Hang on, this is where the fun begins.
Generate speech. Export. Open folder. Open Vegas. Close this. Delete that. Go in here. Drag that in. Just play it. Make sure it's good.
This is where the fun begins.
Render as. Hang on. Render. PlayCanvas. Oh, it's called Fun Begins. Hold on, Fun Begins.
There you are. Took you long enough. Get in, let's go.
Hold on, this didn't save. Open folder. Rename this to Fun Begins. Open PlayCanvas. Upload. Fun Begins. UI Manager. Assign this guy to Fun Begins. Disable preload. There's one more left. Good, land here. Press X to exit. UI Manager. Learns exit. So CapCut. Okay. Delete the text here. Text to speech. Generate speech. Cancel this. Good, land here. This guy. Generate. It was taking long because I didn't delete the previous old voice sound. Now it's taking long, but I have no idea why. Network error. Try again. Okay. No. Hello? Sorry for the buffering. I was having no trouble a few days ago, but for some reason, maybe it's because it's like a working time right now. Export, open Vegas, close, different, download, drag this in. Make sure we're working on the right.
Land here and press X to exit.
What is that called? Exit. Exit. Render. And we're done. PlayCanvas. Upload asset. Exit. UI manager. Up. Reload. PlayCanvas. Sounds, voiceover, exit. Oh, exit is here.
Good. Land here and press X to exit.
Disable preload, UI manager, assign it. Exit. Nice. Okay, so now level 1 manager has all these entities. Trigger second combat. So there's a second combat. This guy. You can duplicate it. Rename it to second combat. And he's gonna be over here. At about 140. Parse generic trigger, and then go to level 1 manager. Trigger second combat entity is this guy. Landing zone. It's a trigger. But let's see how the game runs so far. So let's launch it.
My head. Where's my rifle? Right? Fragments. Just keep moving down the road. Drones. Standard Thorn industry model. I'm still at war. If Thorn's drones are here, this whole city is lost. Need to find Lorenz. The marsh, lethal. But there it is. The Aeroboticar, my baby. Built her piece by piece on deployment. Only way across.
System boot. Solon, you look like hell. Thorn's forces are everywhere.
Lorenz, you're alive.
Did you forget how to fly me? Let's start with the basics. Spam I, J, K, and L to feel out the vertical thrusters. Good. Now try W, A, S, and T for directional thrust. You got it. I've disabled the barrier. Let's fly.
Alright, so far so good. Alright, the second combat is not triggering. Let's see. Playing sound, Lorenz barrier down. You got it, I've disabled the barrier. Okay. So let's start there. Second combat is not triggering. So let's go to here. Level 1 manager, download. Upload file. Level 1 manager, and ask Gemini when I fly into the second combat trigger, the event is not firing. Let's see what it says. I think it's because I'm in the Aeroboticar and the triggers are not set up to listen to you found an excellent bug. This is a very common issue in games where the player can enter a vehicle. Here's what's happening. Your generic trigger script, which we created a while ago, is on the trigger's second combat entity. That script is programmed to fire an event only when an entity named player enters it. However, when you're in the Aeroboticar, the entity that's physically flying into the trigger is the Aeroboticar, not the player. The player entity is disabled and hidden inside the car, so its collision doesn't count. To fix, we need to upgrade generic trigger script to be smarter. We'll add an attribute so you can choose what it should be triggered by. Here's the updated trigger.js file. Create this file to replace your existing one. Your next step in the editor, update it with this. In the PlayCanvas, select your trigger second combat. In the inspector, find the generic script. You will see a new attribute. Trigger on entity. Oh, Aeroboticar. Sick. Okay. Now when you fly, the correct will advance the second state. Let's see if that works. I have no doubt that it will.
My head, fragments. Just keep moving down the road. Drones, standard Thorns industry model. I'm still at war. Thorns drones are here. This whole city is lost. Need to find Lorenz. The marsh, lethal. But there it is.
System boot. Solon, you look like hell. Thorn's forces are everywhere.
Lorenz, you're alive.
Did you forget how to fly me? Let's start good. Now try WASD for directional thrust. You got it. I've disabled the barrier. Let's fly. More drones. Did you forget how to shoot? Press space to fire.
Spawner wave 2 entity or script not found. Spawner wave 2. Wait. Spawner wave 2 entity not found. Oh, spawner wave 2. Okay, here we go. Barrier marsh. Oh, so I have to create a barrier. Huh. Hold on, let me create an entity for that. Marsh barrier. Add component. Physics. Rigid body. And a collision. So this guy's gonna be like 10 by 10 by 10, and he's gonna be placed right here at 104. And then barrier marsh barrier. Okay. Trigger landing zone, building exit, car meeting point to be continued screen. Launch.
My head. Where's my rifle? Right.
Let's see how far I get.
Just keep moving down the road. Drones, standard Thorn industry model. I'm still at war.
Oh shit. They like F me up, bro. Maybe I should turn down the drone. make it a little bit easier, especially in the beginning. Where's the enemy drones? This guy. Put him in. Put me in, coach. Edit this guy. Damage. Bullet damage. Let's do 1. Apply. Come on. 2 active jobs. Okay. I might have to reset. I might have to restart PlayCanvas in a second. There we go. Reset PlayCanvas. Editor. Bullet damage 1. Okay. Apply to template. Delete. Relaunch it. They shouldn't kill me so easily now.
My head, right? Fragments. Just keep moving down the road. Drones, standard Thorn industry models. I'm still at war. If Thorn's drones are here, this whole city is lost. Need to find Lorenz. The marsh, lethal. But there it is. The Aeroboticar, my baby. Built her piece by piece on deployment, only way across.
System boot. Solon, you look like hell. Thorn's forces are everywhere.
Lorenz, you're alive.
Did you forget how to fly me? Let's start with the basics. Spam I, J, K, and L to feel up. Good. Now try W, A, S, and D for directional thrust. You got it. I've disabled the barrier. Let's fly.
So far, so good.
Did you forget how to shoot? Press space to fire.
Huh. That didn't work. Trigger second combat. Spawner wave 2. Let's see. Spawn points. Changes to 1. Oh, you know why? Player entity I think has to be Aeroboticar. This guy. Let's see if that works. Let's just fly through the game.
Fragments. Just keep moving down the road. Drones, standard Thorn industry models. I'm still at war. If Thorn's drones are here, this whole city is lost. Need to find Lorenz. The marsh, lethal.
System boot. Solon, you look like hell. Thorn's forces are everywhere.
Lorenz, you're alive.
Did you forget how to fly? Good. You got it. I've disabled the barrier. Let's fly. More drones. Did you forget how to shoot? Press space to fire.
Okay, so the drones are not. Let me just copy and paste this. Upload screenshots for the second combat. The event is triggering, but I do not see the enemy drones anywhere. Here is my setup. I even changed the player entity to Aeroboticar. Let's see what it says. I think enemy spawner. Gemini is such a big brain, bro. Has so much processing power. I guess some people call it compute. Did you guys hear about the Elon Musk and Joe Rogan podcast? How he said the Tesla Roadster is going to be able to fly? Because he was like, if Peter wants flying cars, then we need to get flying cars. He said Peter Thiel, but like to me it sounded like he was saying Peter, because like Peter as in me, because I'm very into flying cars. But what was I gonna say? He was very against flying cars in the past. He was like, no, flying cars are a bad idea. You shouldn't have flying cars. But now he's like, if Peter wants flying cars, then we need to get him flying cars. I'm very curious to see what Elon, what kind of technology is going to put into his car to make it fly. And my Wi-Fi signal is not the best right now. Well, stream is good, but here it's I'm current. Oh, okay. I've re-examined the code, confirmed the trigger is enabled in the correct state and the event listener is set up. The primary suspect is still the trigger's configuration. Does it have a collision component? Is it set to trigger? Are the trigger on and player entity attributes correctly configured, especially in relation to the Aeroboticar? Okay. Acknowledge based on your description and the file in the canvas, the generic trigger script itself is correct. If the event is not firing when you fly the Aeroboticar entity, the problem must be in the editor setup of that specific trigger. Your screenshot shows the setup for spawner wave 2, which looks correct for when the event does fire, but the problem is one step before that, the trigger itself. Please check these 4 things on your trigger second combat. Does it have the generic trigger script? Collision component. Does it have a collision component? Yes, it does. Yes, it does. Collision trigger. Maybe this guy needs to be. Maybe this guy needs to be taller. Well, let's make sure it's good like that. In the collision component, is the trigger checkbox checked? Yes. This is the most common mistake if it's not checked. Well, if it has a rigid body, then it becomes unchecked, but it doesn't have a rigid body, so it's automatically checked. Script trigger on the generic script on entity attribute set to Aeroboticar. Yeah, it is. Your screenshot shows you correctly set this for spawner, but you must also set it for the trigger. The code in the canvas is working as intended. The problem is almost certainly one of these 4 editor settings on your trigger second combat. Well. No. Did my stream die again?
My head, right? Fragments. Just keep moving down the road. Drones, standard Thorn industry model. I'm still at war. Thorn's drones are here. This whole city is lost. Need to find Lorenz, the marsh.
In the system booth. Solon, you look like hell. Thorn's forces are everywhere.
Lorenz, you're alive.
Did you forget how to fly? Let's start with the basics. Spam I, J, K, and L to feel out the vertical thrusters. Good. Now try W, A, S, and D for direct. You got it. I've disabled the barrier. Let's fly. More drones. Did you forget how to shoot? Press space to fire.
Are they spawning behind me or something? Well, spawner wave 2, Aeroboticar player entity, let's upload this screenshot. I set it up like you said. Here is the trigger second combat entity setup. The collision component is automatically set to trigger on if there is no rigid body according to PlayCanvas. I also set the trigger on entity to Aeroboticar, but I still don't see the drones. What else could it be? Spawner. Yes. See if AI can't figure this shit out. Neither can I, bro. Imagine programming a game. Like, imagine how much code you need to, like, remember where you put stuff and what everything means. And if not, you need to be able to read the code. Find out. Like, let's read the console, see if anything happens.
My head. Where's my rifle? Right? Fragments. Just keep moving down the road.
Gun entity enabled.
Drones. Standard Thorn industry models. I'm still at war.
Hold on. Thank you.
Thorn's drones are here. This whole city is lost. Need to find Lorenz.
Thank you for the screenshot. This is a very subtle but important setup issue, and your screenshot shows the problem perfectly. You are one step ahead of the problem. Your trigger second combat setup from your description is correct. Having it trigger on the Aeroboticar is exactly right. The problem as shown in your screenshot is with spawner wave 2 entity. On your spawner wave 2 entity, you have the enemy spawner script. You've set its player entity attribute to Aeroboticar. This is the issue. This is the issue. Where was it? The player entity attribute on the spawner is not for the trigger. It's to tell the drones who to chase the attack. When your enemy drone script runs, it tries to do two things with this player reference. To chase it, this player get positioned to chase it. 2. This player script player stats take damage to deal damage to it. Your Aeroboticar entity does not have a player stats script on it. Your player entity does. This will cause an error and the drone's AI will fail, which is likely why you don't see them. The fix editor only. You don't need any code changes. You just need to fix the attribute on your spawner entities. Select your spawner wave 1. Make sure its player entity is set to the player, not the car. Oh, this has to be player? The enemy drone AI is smart enough it will get the player entity as its target, even if that player entity is hidden inside the car. This player get position will still give the drone the correct world coordinates to chase it, and it will be able to find and shoot the car and hit the player's collider correctly. Alright.
My head. Where's my rifle? Right? Fragments. Just keep moving. Down the road.
Let's
Drones
see.
stand throwing industry models. I'm still at war. If drones are here, this whole city is lost. Need to find the marsh lethal. But they're
System boot. Solon, you look like hell. Thorn's forces are everywhere.
Lorenz, you're alive.
Did you forget how to fly me? Let's start good. You got it. I've disabled the barrier. Let's fly. More drones. Did you forget how to shoot? Press space to fire.
Where are they? Oh, there they are. Oh. Okay. I see. They're like way up in the air, man. Let's bring it down to like 8. And where's the collider? Let's see if that works. That's sick. It works, man.
Fragments. Just keep moving. Down the road. Drones, standard Thorn industry models. I'm still at war. If Thorn's drones are here, this whole city is lost. Need to find Lorenz, the marsh lethal. But there it is.
System boot. Solon, you look like hell. Thorn's forces are everywhere.
Lorenz, you're alive.
Did you forget how to fly me? Let's
I don't like how Lorenz, your live takes forever. Dialogue system. Level 1 manager. Lorenz, you're alive. Where is that? This could probably be like 2,000.
start with the base.
Level 1 manager. Parse.
Spam I, J, K, and L to feel out the vertical. Good. Now try W. You got it. I've disabled the barrier. Let's fly. More drones. Did you forget how to shoot? Press space to fire.
Alright, they're spawning way too high. I can't even shoot them. Are they gonna be able to deal damage to me? Alright, they're spawning way too high right now. Bring them down. Where is spawner wave 1 at? 4. Y equals 4. Let's do Y equals 4. Launch. Gotta play test it again.
Just keep moving down the road. Drones, standard Thorn industry models. I'm still at war. If Thorn's drones are here, this whole city is lost. Need to find the marsh lethal. But there it is, the Aeroboticar, my baby. Built her piece by piece onto
System boot. Solon, you look like
Lorenz, you're alive.
Oh, hold on. I think I just ruined this. Oh, so this has to be 4,000. I need to build like a world map. I mean a building.
Just keep moving down the road. Drones, standard Thorn industry models. I'm still at war. Thorn's drones are here. This whole city is lost. Need to find Lorenz. The marsh lethal. But there.
System boot. Solon, you look like hell. Thorn's forces are everywhere.
Lorenz, you're alive.
Did you forget how to fly me? Good. You got it. I disabled the barrier. Let's fly. More drones. Did you forget how to shoot? Press space to fire.
So two things are happening. I could probably bring these guys down just a tad bit. And okay, they are spawning. Now two things are happening. I am not taking damage, and also I can't damage the enemy drones while shooting them in the Aeroboticar. How long is this stream so far? An hour and a half. I need to bring this road in. This road. Where's the road? Crowned. Road. Road straight. Road. Where's the trigger? Reach marsh barrier. Right there. Probably bring that in to like 92. And then road can be like 18. Or no, 16. Or no, 17. Okay, that's better. You found two excellent, very logical bugs. When you're in the Aeroboticar, both you and the enemies are shooting at the wrong thing. Here's a breakdown of what's happening and how we'll fix it. You can't damage drones. Your drone car controls script, which handles shooting when you're in the car, never had the damage logic added to its shoot function. It fires a tracer, but it doesn't know it's supposed to deal damage to an enemy drone. You aren't taking damage. The enemy drone script is programmed to look for an entity named player and deal damage to its player stat script. When you're in the car, the drone's raycast is hitting the Aeroboticar entity first, so its check fails and it never deals damage. We need to update both scripts. Here are the two complete updated files. Drone car controls script. I've added a bullet damage attribute and updated the shoot function to check if the raycast hit an enemy drone and deal damage to it. Okay, drone car JS. I've updated enemy drone. The drone shoot function, it will now check if it hit the player or the Aeroboticar. In either case, it will correctly find your player entity, which it knows from the spawner, and deal damage to player stat script. These two updates should solve both problems, allowing your drones to damage each other correctly while you're in the Aeroboticar. I didn't get. Please resend. Don't redact anything for brevity. So enemy drone.js. I want to make this game in Unreal Engine with the new asset that I got from Google Gemini after I uploaded my designs to it, and it created like the coolest looking Aeroboticar iteration. Pretty much 100% done. You're absolutely right. My apologize. The redaction bug is extremely frustrating. It looks like it sent you the wrong file or corrupted one. Here's the complete correct level 1 manager script for your context. No, sir. I didn't get this. Please resend enemy drone.js. It sent me level 1 manager, but that's not what we're doing. Enemy drone hit player. That was extremely frustrating. My stream shut down for some reason. I think it's because my bitrate was too high, but I lowered it. Acknowledged. My apologies. Here's the complete script. I've added one license to solid. No, sir. No, that's not what we're doing. Please resend the updated. Don't redact anything for brevity. This is frustrating because it's like not reading what I'm actually asking it. There it is. Refining enemy drone script. You're right. You're asking the enemy drone file that adds a shooting logic in the AI offset to fix the conga line. That's not what I'm asking, bro. Please send this. providing the script. Acknowledge my apologies. It includes logic for shooting in bursts. The attribute is the same machine, random offsets to prevent the command line correctly damaging the player by checking for both player and article. Okay. Thank you. How many lines is that? I think it's because I should have uploaded enemy drone.js to it and told it to spin off from there, but this works too. So now we go to enemy drones. Enemy drones. This template, put it in. Okay. That should work. Enemy drones, JS. Hold on. Ooh. Gotta restart PlayCanvas. I don't know if I have to parse the script on this guy. Apply, delete, and then what were we doing before this fiasco? Drone car controls. This guy. Bullet damage 25. How much is my bullet damage? Bullet damage 20. Okay, sounds good.
My head, fragments. Just keep moving down the road. Drones, standard Thorn industry models. I'm still at war. If Thorn's drones are here, this whole city is lost. Need to find the marsh lethal. But there it is, the Aeroboticar, my baby. Built her piece by piece on deployment, only way across.
Okay.
System boot. Solon, you look like hell. Thorn's forces are everywhere.
Lorenz, you're alive.
Did you forget how to fly? Good. You got it. I've disabled the barrier. Let's fly. More drones. Did you forget how to shoot? Press space to fire. That's the last one. See that building? The old comms array. You need to get inside and retrieve the data core. Land in the marked zone.
Sick.
What?
Okay. Marsh barrier. This guy needs to be a little bit like this. 95. And we need to create a building. Like over here. What if I disable this? Okay, we can't disable that. Okay. I need to do some level design now. Because the story goes that there's going to be a building that the player needs to go into to retrieve the data core. I feel like these buildings are not big enough. I I might have to scale
My
them
head.
in.
Where's my rifle? Right? Fragments. Just keep moving down the road.
Oh no, they're the right size. This door is proportional.
Drones, standard Thorn industry models. I'm still at war. If Thorn's drones are here, this whole city is lost. Need to find Lorenz.
Let me just play this again.
System boot. Solon, you look like hell. Thorn's forces are everywhere.
Lorenz, you're alive.
Did you forget how to fly? Good. You got it. You've disabled the barrier. Let's fly. More drones. Did you forget how to shoot? Press space to fire. That's the last of them. See that building? The old comms array. You need to get inside and retrieve the data core. Land in the mark zone.
Maybe I can land like right here. Right? Like land right here. And then literally just like put the building right here, go in. I don't know, because it needs to be so that when you get out of the other side of the building, hold on, what's the story like? Level 1 manager. Landing zone. Landing zone trigger. Trigger second combat. Duplicate. Landing zone. Trigger landing zone. It could be like 320. Trigger on entity. Aeroboticar. Parse. Let's see what happens. I gotta get into
fragments. Just keep moving down the road.
I gotta
standard Thorn industry models. I'm still at war. If Thorn's drones are here, this whole city is lost. Need to find the marsh lethal.
System boot. Solon, you look like hell. Thorn's forces are everywhere.
Lorenz, you're alive.
Did you forget how to fly? Let's start.
Am I still live, guys? I'm having trouble with my stream. Damn it. Well, the oh, you know why it didn't? Because I didn't assign landing zone entity to it. There you go. Gotta replay the whole level.
Right? Fragments. Just keep moving down the road. Drones, standard Thorn industry models. I'm still at war. Thorn's drones are here. This whole city is lost. Need to find Lorenz. The marsh lethal. But there it is. The Aeroboticar, my baby. Built her piece by piece on deployment. Only way across.
Get in.
Solon, you look like hell. Thorn's forces are everywhere.
Lorenz, you're alive.
Did Did you forget how to fly me? Let's start with the basics. Good. You got it. I've disabled the barrier. Let's fly. More drones. Did you forget how to shoot? Press space to fire. That's the last one. See that building? The old comms array. You need to get inside and retrieve the data core. Land in the marked zone. Good. Land here and press X to exit.
S is not defined. Did I accidentally press S or something? Yep. Delete that. God damn it. Alright. I shouldn't get the error now. Let's.
My head. Right. Fragments. Just keep moving down the road. Drones. Standard Thorn industry models. I'm still at war. Thorn's drones are here. This whole city is lost. Need to find the marsh lethal.
System boot. Solon, you look like hell. Thorn's forces are everywhere.
Lorenz, you're alive.
Did you forget how to fly me? Let's start with the basics. Good. You got it. I've disabled the barrier. Let's fly. More drones. Did you forget how to shoot? Press space to fire. That's the last one. See that building? The old comms array. You need to get inside and retrieve the data core. Land in the marked zone. Good. Land here and press X to exit. Got it. This area is too hot to stay parked. I'll circle around and meet you at the
Okay, extraction point. I think it's input manager. Well, it's cutting off before he finishes the dialogue. I think it might be level 1 manager. And then it says, this area is too hot, I'll meet you around. I think meet you. So go to UI manager, meet you. This guy, meet you, sounds, voiceover, meet you. This guy is 7 seconds. So we need to change this to 8. Eight thousand milliseconds is 8 seconds. Now, this road. Let's see. Ground, road. Road straight. Entities that are part of the template. I could probably make this 1,000. Apply. Let's see if I could still jump on the left side of the road.
My head, right? Fragments. Just keep moving down the road.
No, too long, so let's change this to 800. Apply. Still too long, 600. Apply. Nope. 500. Pretty sure it was working at 500 before, unless I have to relaunch PlayCanvas. I think I might have to relaunch.
My head, right? Fragments. Just keep moving down the road.
300. You know what I could do? Does 300 work?
My head, right? Fragments. Just keep moving down the road.
Nope, 300 is too big. 200. Apply. 200 was definitely working before, so.
My head, right? Fragments. Just keep moving down the road.
I think 200 is the limit. So let's repeat ground, duplicate, and take ground and move it. Oh, but it has grass on it as well. Let's move it right here. I just want to make sure I don't get the jumping bug when I have all these.
Right? Fragments. Just keep moving down the road. Drones, standard Thorn industry model. I'm still at war. If Thorn's drones are here, this whole city is lost. Need to find the marsh lethal.
System boot. Solon, you look like hell. Thorn's forces are everywhere.
Lorenz, you're alive.
Did you forget how to fly me? That's good. You got it. I've disabled the barrier. Let's fly. More drones. Did you forget how to shoot? Press space to fire. See that building? The old comms array. You need to get inside and retrieve the data core. Land in the marked zone. Good. Land here and press X to exit. Got it. This area is too hot to stay parked. I'll circle around and meet you at the extraction point on the other side. Be careful, Solon.
So there just needs to be like something here, like in the middle of the road, you know? Like he needs to, there has to be something there. You guys have any ideas of what? I kind of want to finish building exit entity as well. Trigger building exit entity. Landing zone. Duplicate this guy. Landing zone needs to be more over here. Like 400. This Level 1 manager. Building exit. My OBS Studio is acting up. Like right here, 540. And then I need to assign building exit to this guy. Car meeting point. Okay, so building exit has to be a little bit before, maybe here, 500. And then car meeting point. What's car meeting point? Where Lorenz waits after the building. Oh. So this has to be an entity. Entity, car meeting point. Car meeting point. And this guy needs to be moved to like right here. I think trigger building exit. So this guy can actually be 540. 540. Car meeting point can also be 540. Or no, 550. Level 1 manager, car meeting point right here. To be continued screen. So let's see if that works. Parse.
My head. Where's the right? Fragments. Just keep moving down the road.
I just need to
Standard Thorn industry models. I'm still at war. Thorn's drones are here. This whole city is lost. Need to find Lorenz. The marsh, lethal. But there it is. The Aeroboticar, my baby. Built
System boot. Solon, you look like hell. Thorn's forces are everywhere.
Lorenz, you're alive.
Did you forget how to fly? Good. You got it. I've disabled the barrier. Let's fly. More drones. Did you forget how to shoot? Press space to fire. That's the last. See that building? The old comms array. You need to get inside and retrieve the data core. Land in the marked zone. Good. Land here and press X to exit. Got it. This area is too hot to stay parked. I'll circle around and meet you at the extraction point on the other side. Be careful, Solon.
Okay. So you go through the building, pick up the comms or whatever, and then you exit the building, and you should hit the trigger here.
There you are. Took you long enough. Get in, let's go.
Okay. And that'll be pretty much the entire game. That's pretty cute. But I don't think car meeting. I think car meeting point needs. Let me see. Car meeting point. tell Gemini. I placed the car meeting point entity. Do I need to place a script or anything on it? Let's see what it says. Maybe I could just put like a military station. You know? Acknowledge that's frustrating, but to hit right at the end, you've played the whole demo and everything is working, but the car isn't appearing at the car meeting point. Looking at the screenshot, your setup looks perfect. You've correctly linked the Aeroboticar and the car meeting point entity. Do I need to place a script or anything? No, you don't. The car meeting point is just a marker. Your level 1 manager script, which you provided, only needs to read its position and rotation. The logic to move the car is inside level 1 script. The state infiltrate building state. This code runs instantly when you exit the car at the landing zone, so the car should be teleported while you're walking through the building. There are 2 likely reasons it's failing. No code changes are needed. Please check these 2 things in editor. Is the car meeting point in the right spot? Yes, it is. It's right here. Oh, you know what? It might be too low. It might be too low. It's actually or under the ground. The teleport might be working perfectly, but the car is just hidden inside the terrain. Try moving the car meeting point entity so it's clearly visible and high in the air on the other side of the building. Does the arrow... Alright, let's move this up to like 1. Does the Aeroboticar have a rigid body? Check the console. When you exit, do you see a yellow warning that says Aeroboticar has no rigid body? Okay. I think it was just under the level, so it was falling through the ground.
Right? Fragments. Just keep moving down the road. Drones, standard Thorn industry model. I'm still at Thorn's drones are here. This whole city is lost. Need to find Lorenz. The marsh, lethal.
System boot. Solon, you look like hell. Thorn's forces are everywhere.
Lorenz, you're alive.
Did you forget how to fly me? Let's start with the basic. Good. You got it. I've disabled the barrier. Let's fly. More drones. Did you forget how to shoot? Press space to fire. That's the last one. See that building? The old comms array. You need to get inside and retrieve the data core. Land in the marked zone. Good. Land here and press X to exit. Got it. This area is too hot to stay parked. I'll circle around and meet you at the extraction point on the other side. Be careful, Solon.
Sick. So the Aeroboticar is over there now. I just need to put something in this area to retrieve the data core. And then when you walk through the other side...
There you are. Took you long enough. Get in, let's go.
Got the core. Did you miss me?
Cute. Hang on. This is where the fun begins.
Okay. That's good. That works. now what do we do? The core to be continued screen. Alright, let's do the to be continued screen. Upload. Okay, the entire level works now, except I don't have a to be continued screen. How do I create that so I can attach it to level 1 manager attribute? Level 1 manager script. He says that's it. The old comms array, you need to get inside and retrieve the data core. I don't know how I'm gonna do that. You see that building? The old comms array, you need to get inside and retrieve the data core. I don't know how I'm gonna do that yet. The redaction bug is extremely... That's not at all what I asked. I don't have a to be continued screen. How do I create that so I can attach it to level 1 manager attribute? I thought I was gonna develop this for like a really long time. I was thinking like a year, like every week. And I kind of want to, you know. I feel like that would take so long. But that's fantastic news. You're on the absolute final step. You're correct. Level 1 script, which I have in context, is looking for an entity and enabling right now. The slot is empty. You don't need to write any new code at all. This is purely a setup task in a PlayCanvas editor. We just need to create the UI entity for you to drag into the slot. Here's how to create your to be continued screen. Create the UI screen. In your hierarchy, top left, right click, create new entity UI screen. Create new entity. UI screen. A new screen entity will appear. Rename it Final Screen UI. Screen. Okay. Rename it Final Screen UI. Make sure screen space checkbox is checked. Screen space checkbox. Add the black background. Right click your new entity. Go to new entity UI image element. New entity image element. I don't have image element. Oh yes I do. Image element. Rename this new child entity background. In the inspector, find the image element component, set its color to black. Image element component. I think this. Set its opacity to 1. 4.8 for a fade. Let's do 0.8. Set its anchors to stretch to all 4 corners. Click the anchor. Preset box the 9 dots. What? And choose the stretch all. Stretch all bottom right option. Preset anchor preset box 9 dots. And choose the stretch all bottom right option. Okay. Or manually set bottom left and top right 1 1. I have no clue. What? Set its anchors to stretch to all 4 corners. Click the anchor preset, the 9 dots. And choose the stretch all bottom right option. Bottom left 0 0. Bottom left 0 0. Add the 2-bit continuous script. Right click your final screen entity again. New entity UI. Text element. Rename this new child entity end text. In the inspector, find the text element component. In the text box, type 2e continued. To be continued. Set the color to white. It is. Set the font size to something large like 48. Okay. Set the alignment to middle, both horizontal and vertical. Set the alignment to middle. Set the alignment to middle, middle, middle. Alignment. Both horizontal and vertical. In the hierarchy, disable the final screen entity by unchecking the box next to its name we want to be hidden at the start. Select your level 1 manager entity. In the inspector, find the to be continued scrot. Level 1, to be continued. Drag your final screen UI entity from the hierarchy into this empty slot. That's it. Now when your level 1 manager reaches the state demo end, it's enable this final screen command will find the final screen entity and see the enable true showing your end screen. Okay, I don't know what the anchor stuff is. Click the anchor preset box, the 9 dots, and choose the stretch all bottom right option. Stretch. Oh, there you go. Stretch. Okay. Oh, okay, there you go. Okay. I did it. And now disable this. UI level 1 manager, parse. Launch. I don't know what I'm gonna do about that building after we land.
Where's my rifle? Right? Fragments. Just keep moving down the road.
Let's see if the too big continues.
I'm still at war. Thorn's drones are here. This whole city is lost. Need to find Lorenz. The marsh, lethal. But there it is.
System booth. Solon, you look like hell. Thorn's forces are everywhere.
Lorenz, you're alive.
Did you forget how to fly me? Good. You got it. I've disabled the barrier. Let's fly. More drones. Did you forget how to shoot? Press space to fire. That's the last one. See that building? The old comms array. You need to get inside and retrieve the data core. Land in the mark zone. Good. Land here and press X to exit. Got it. This area is too hot to stay parked. I'll circle around and meet you at the extraction point on the other side. Be careful, Solon.
Okay, I'm getting the data core, press X or whatever. And then...
There you are. Took you long enough. Get in, let's go.
Got the core. Did you miss me?
Cute. Hang on. This is where the fun begins.
Okay, that worked. I just need only the to be continued screen to be the only thing that's on the screen. The HTML text, press P to change view HTML UI, health and ammo stats all need to disappear. I also don't. No. Oh. I was like, no, it got deleted. I also don't want to be able to control the drone car anymore. Everything needs to disable except the to be continued screen. zoned out. I kind of need to use the bathroom, so I'm probably going to end the stream soon. Because I can still play the game. You're absolutely right, my apologies, the redaction bag. Here's a complete correct script from your contacts. I have the one-line fix to solve the car tutorial getting stuck. No, that's not what we're doing. Okay. So that's pretty much it. That's pretty much the entire game. You know, you get in, you fight some people, you get in, you learn the drone car tutorials, you fly over the marsh. There's some enemies that you have to kill with your Aeroboticar. There's a landing zone, and then he says there's a building, but I don't know, like, I'm not, like, I don't know how I would create a building here to get inside, like, building asset, low poly, that you can walk inside. Low poly modular building set asset pack. I guess I could make a building with these parts right here. You know? How can I do this? Can I even? Hold on. I just need to hide that real quick. I wonder if I can use these sketchfab components, these assets, architecture. Low poly modular building set. This pack is available for download on Unreal Engine Marketplace, Unity Marketplace, and itch.io. Buy now for $5.59. Building example. That actually looks perfect. I think I might buy this and just spend some time creating the building. It has the walls, right? Should it be a brick building or like a building like that? Yeah, like that. Before I do that though, I want to make sure that there isn't already a pre-built building. Can you go inside of the building? Comms array building. Comms array building. Walkway 3D models. Cannot find the page. Free low poly buildings 3D models. I think I might end up having to build my own building. Let's see this guy do it. Low poly building. I want to mention in your quick start guide that if the developer isn't going to take their buildings apart, they should merge all the objects for better performance. Marking all of them as static should also do the trick. It looks cool though. I would worry about all the added geometry from the blocks. It may actually put the overall poly count higher than something that looks more detailed through textures. You could probably break them down into a set of textures and just use normal maps to give you the appearance of depth. I looked on Sketchfab. It also looks like the bricks are separate meshes from the wall geometry. That's pretty wasteful if you do actually want to have the brick geometry to be a part of the walls. You enable cold. Okay. I think I pretty much have no choice but to buy this. So let me go ahead and buy this. 1 second. Full name. I almost said my info. Download. it's linked.
Now,
Now, what I need to do why would there be a building in the middle of a road, though? You know? That's what I'm not getting. Oh, and I bought it, by the way, so now I could just go like that. Extract here. Extract. Okay. So now go to assets. Root, upload. This guy. Two audits found. New asset folder. I think I'm gonna end the stream, guys, and do this off camera, cause this is gonna be pretty tough. Map design, that's like, I don't feel like talking while I'm like designing. I'd rather put on my music and like, it's like drawing, you know, you can zone out and just kind of sit there and draw without having to talk. So yeah, I think I'm gonna end the stream here. Like and subscribe. Hold on, new folder. This guy needs to be called. Rename. Copy. This guy needs to be named this. Paste. Garage door, garage door, garage door. Door, 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 door. Door, door. And that all needs to be moved into copy, paste. Oh, I have to drag them in like this one by one. Yeah, so anyways, like and subscribe. Sorry for this, like, the stream that it like got cut off in the middle of the first one and it got split up, but yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.